That's Mike from Custom Cruisers. Beautiful bit of kitty. Yamaha Virago side panels. Okay, these are Virago side panels, and as you can see, very well made. These are made by Swen. Unfortunately, Phil died, but the quality of his stuff was very good. This would be Taiwan, not China, so it will be very, very good quality. Okay, direct replacement. Obviously, reuse your rubbers where necessary. You know, I think there's a rubber goes on there and there. But also, we do the Virago badges. Okay, we've got these in chrome and gold. We've also got stick on. These are bolt through for your saddlebags, etc. We've also got the master cylinder covers, which are up here. Okay, there are various master cylinder covers. We've got rear light covers as well. Masses of stuff for Virago's tank bibs or tank chaps. If you're interested in any great stuff for your bike, for your Virago, we've got front floorboards, possibly rears left. Some of the stuff is getting hard to get, as you know. Virago lighters, Virago t-shirts. Give us a call, 01773835666, customcruisers.com, or the new site, customcruisers.eu. Thank you.